was a bit of a weird piece. Would you call that graffiti anti-style? I don't know. I don't even know what anti-style is, but I just heard of it. Surely not my best piece. Definitely not my best piece by a long shot. I don't even know why I said that. Yeah, was really quite a horrible piece, but it has got legs. I could play with it. I could do some stuff with it. It was certainly very fun to paint, and that is the main thing. So yeah, anyway, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. Drop a comment, tell me what you thought of about that piece, which, yeah, wasn't great. But anyway, thumbs up as well. I'll see you in the next video, which is tomorrow. Thanks for watching.